You can see these affiliate marketing beginners absolutely crushing it. Kelly, $600 while putting kids to bed. Zoe, $600 while on vacation. Marsha, $1,350 day, and it goes on and on and on. In this video, I'm gonna share with you the 5 steps to take in order to start affiliate marketing, especially if you're a complete beginner. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name's Garrett and I've been doing affiliate marketing full-time for 10 years now. I've been blessed to make multiple 6 figures, and in this quick video, I'm gonna break down each of these 5 steps in detail, so by the end of the video, you can go out there and start affiliate marketing, and some people can even make their first commission in their very first week using this information. Now, before I dive into the very first step, there's gonna be a link directly below. If at any point you actually want to implement all of this and have most of this completely done for you, there's going to be a link directly below where you can find out more information. I just want to share very quickly an overview of what affiliate marketing is in case you just don't know how it works. Basically, all it is you find a product that's out there that's already created for you and has an affiliate program you can join. Then you find people that are interested in buying that product, and when those people buy that product through your custom affiliate link that tracks it to you, you get credit for that referral and that sale, and a portion of that money gets paid to you as a commission for doing that work. That's all affiliate marketing is. Now that we understand what it is, I want to dive into the very first step. So it's choose a niche. Okay, now a niche or niche is basically just a topic. The reason you want to choose this is because the riches are in the niches. You want to be a specialist, okay? Think about this. If you became a doctor, doctors that are generalists, that just deal with everyone, are paid way less than specialists, people that focus on brain surgery or cardiovascular problems, right? The reason is because when you go to promote, your prospects, the people that you're promoting to, are gonna feel like you understand their problem better when you're speaking to a specific category of person, okay? So there's a lot of different niches out there. There's martial arts, there's volleyball, there's gaining weight, there's losing weight, there's saving money, there's making money, there's tons of different niches. But I highly recommend you choose one of the big 3. Now, the big 3 are health, wealth, or relationships. The reason you want to choose a niche in one of those 3 categories is because these are always going to be relevant. If you go and start following the rest of this step-by-step process in another niche, another topic, that topic may not be relevant in 6 months from now. So you're doing the work of promoting, but the stuff you're doing today will not pay you tomorrow. I'm teaching you how to literally have a business that will pay you on even autopilot for years to come by doing 2 hours or less of work, as you'll see in a later step in a second. So health, wealth, and relationships, how do you choose? You just want to choose one that you're passionate about or you're interested in learning more about. Now, the very fact that you're watching this video on affiliate marketing means that you may be interested in affiliate marketing or making money online. Then that could be an incredible niche to actually start with. The people in the beginning of the video that were getting those incredible results use the exact thing that's at the link directly below, and they're in the make money online niche. Okay, so it's a very simple niche to be in. It's incredibly easy and very effective, but you want to choose one of those 3. The second step is, now that you have a niche, you want to choose a product inside of that niche. Now, I wrote 100% resell. This is very, very powerful. So when I first got started online, I was promoting products. Now, maybe you've heard of clickbank.com, maybe you've heard of 𝐽𝐵Zoo. These are affiliate marketplaces that you can go on and find products to promote. But the problem is, a lot of those products, let's say you chose the make money online niche and you find a product. A lot of these products, when you go and promote them, they're only gonna pay you 30%, maybe 40% commissions. So if it's a $100 payment, you're only gonna get about $30 of that payment, which is not great because you're doing the work of promoting and you're having to give most of the money to the product creator. What I discovered within the last couple years is there's a form of product you can promote that gives you 100% resell rights. So when you actually invest into that affiliate program or that product yourself, you get the rights to now sell it as your own. And what this allows you to do is literally keep 100% of the money. When I discovered this on my own journey, I dramatically increased how much money I was keeping because I could keep 100% of the money. It was as if it was my product. And the other thing that does is it allows you to collect money instantly. If you go to promote a product on ClickBank, let's say, which you may have seen in other videos, you're gonna have to wait 2 to 4 weeks to get the money. You do the referral, you do the promotion, and then you have to wait a long time to get the money. But when you have a product that gives you 100% resale rights, you get paid instantly into a Cash App, a PayPal, a Stripe account, however you want to collect the money. Number 3 is the 2-hour promotion formula, okay? This is literally how you can work 2 hours and promote that product. So what I recommend you do is once you've picked a niche, let's say the make money online niche, you have a product that's 100% resale rights, and again, the link below will share how to do that. You have a 2-hour promotion formula. So I don't know about you, but the reason I was drawn to affiliate marketing was the freedom, right? The ability to literally work as little as possible and make as much as possible. You know, personally, I was working as a waiter. I was barely making ends meet. I was working at a restaurant called 𝐏𝐨𝐻𝐿's in Houston, Texas. I hated my job. I was working for a nagging boss, and I just wanted to work 1 to 2 hours a day and get everything done. And I discovered how to do it. And what it really takes, what I recommend is you simply post 2 to 3 pieces of content a day online. Now this can be in the form of text on Facebook. This could be an Instagram story. This could be a TikTok video. This could be on Pinterest where you don't have to even show your face. You want to post content in that 1 to 2 hours a day, okay? So I recommend you choose 1 to 2 hours a day where you can stay consistent, whether that's before work, if you have a job, maybe that's at the end of the day where your kids are asleep. You have this formula, okay? And what you do is you post simple content that's gonna be designed to attract your ideal prospects to you, okay? We don't have to bother people. We don't have to chase people. I've never picked up the phone. I've never direct messaged someone that I don't know. I just promote the product that I'm promoting in about 1 to 2 hours a day. The very fact that you're watching this video, okay, to explain a little bit behind the curtain, this is a piece of content that I'm creating, and people will continue to find this video even while I'm out traveling or doing other things, okay? So I follow and practice what I preach. And then number 4 is you wanna send the people that respond to that content, that are interested in learning more, you wanna send them to an automated system, okay? Again, if you want to leverage automation and you want to literally be waking up to money, the people in the beginning of this video, when they said they were, doing other things and money was still coming in, is because they're leveraging a step-by-step proven, done for you automated system that literally runs in the background. So again, gone are the days where you have to pick up the phone, you have to bother people, you have to manually follow up. Because most people will not buy right away, but if you leverage an autopilot system, you can follow up while you're sleeping, right? Because the system is doing all the telling, selling, and messaging for you. And so I highly recommend that. When I learned this, I stopped keeping notepads of who to follow up with. I stopped bogging my mind down with all this effort, and I just let it go. And then I literally just send people to the funnel, and the system in funnel does all the telling and selling for me. And again, at the link below, the cool thing is you literally can get access to the exact funnel that I'm using and that the people in the beginning of this video are actually using. And then number 5, and this is crucial, okay? Once you've done these first 4 steps, number 5 is you're gonna wanna show proof of your results and then repeat steps 3 through 5. Okay, so let me break that down. Basically, what you want to understand is there's a concept in psychology and sales called social proof. This is basically testimonials. What it means is if you show proof to people socially, they're more likely to want to do it themselves because people look to other people as what they should do, okay? So what you want to do is as you start to do this process, you start to create content in that 2-hour promotion formula, you send people to the autopilot system, you start generating commissions just like the people in the beginning of the video. Now you want to show your own proof. So you want to take like a screenshot, or you want to, record a video showing the money that you're now making, especially if you're in the make money online niche. You can do this in other niches. You can show if you've lost weight and you're in the weight loss niche, you can do that. But if you're in the make money online niche, you can show that proof. And then what you can do is then show that proof in the 2-hour promotion formula. Okay, so you post on Facebook, that's your content for that day, is just showing how much money you've made. and then you send it to the autopilot system, you get more proof, you show that proof, and then it just keeps cycling, okay? So this part right here will just keep cycling back and forth, okay? So that's just a cycle. You've already chosen the niche and chosen the product. You don't have to do that again, and you can literally start to generate a 6-figure income in as little as 2 hours a day. And I don't say that to, you know, it's not too good to be true, rather. It's totally possible, and the people inside of our community are doing it on a daily basis. They're just generating a massive amount of commission. So if you're watching this, my friend, and you want to learn more, I've said it multiple times, but be sure, go down to the link below, put your best email into that page, and I'll shoot you over a free video walking you through exactly how you can literally have this done for you and even get tons of training and live coaching calls to put this 2-hour promotion formula into practice easily and effortlessly. Even if you're not technical, even if you don't want to show your face on camera, you can totally do this, my friends. So go ahead, check this out, like the video if you got value, and also subscribe, because I'm going to be sharing more information on exactly how to implement this. Take care, my friend, and I'll talk soon.